Dear students, last class we are discussing regarding the calculating the packing efficiency. Now in this session we are discussing regarding the imperfection in a solid. Okay, imperfection, that name itself says something is missing. Okay, what is that? Imperfection, it's not perfect. Usually solids are two types, amorphous as well as crystalline. In that crystalline ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು discuss ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. Okay, now both are what? It should maintain the arrangement in a constant atoms. Both are in a arrangement in a constant atom. In that may be long range or short range. Okay, long range irbodu, short range irbodu, but there is an defect, there is something missing. Defects means what? In kannadalli helididre korategalu, ನ್ಯೂನತೆಗಳು. Okay, that's what defects. So long range irli, short range obviously it should have defects. Even in the long range also there should have what? Defects in that. Okay, and next point regarding the imperfection, what is that? Defects are basically irregularities in a arrangement. Okay, irregularity in a arrangement alli ಏನು regularity ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Regularity in the sense atoms are there, but arrangement should be slightly different from the actual. Theoretical ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ arrangement should be differ in a imperfection of solids or in a defects. Mainly two types of defects are there. One is point defects, second one is line defects. Okay, point in the sense, in a unit cell or crystal lattice, in that point refers to what? Atoms. Where the atoms are present, there should be the point. Okay, line refers to what? Entire arrangement of the atoms, like this. Entire arrangement of the what is that? Atoms. In that defects are there that are known as point defects as well as line defects. First we'll take the definition regarding the point defects. What it says? It's an irregularity or deviation from the normal arrangement or ideal arrangement. Ideal means what? Actual. Now theoretically ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, that should be the ideal arrangement. Okay, so here irregularity, there should be changes, there should be missing and or deviations. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ opposite ಆಗಿದೆ. There should be deviation from the ideal arrangement of what? Atoms or points. That are nothing but what? Point defects. Point defect. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ point defects ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Atom ಅಲ್ಲಿ variation ಬಂದ್ರೆ that should be missing in an atom, that are known as point defects. Next we'll move for line defect. I already told it's in line in the sense constant atom present in a solid. In that solid there should be missing in an entire row, not in a single atom, entire row ಅಲ್ಲಿ irregularities ಬಂದ್ರೆ irregularities in an entire row, that will leads to line defect. So two types of defects are there in that, point defect as well as line defect. So I hope both you got the answer. ಇದಕ್ಕೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. What is line defect, what is point defects. Okay, now major ಆಗಿ in this we are consider only the point defects. Okay, point defects ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. We should discuss in detail regarding the what? Point defects. In the point defects, again classified into three types of what? Point defects. That the first one is stoichiometric defects, defect, impurity defect and non-stoichiometric defect. So again point defects can classified into what? Three types, which are they? Stoichiometric, impurity defect and non-stoichiometric defect. Now we'll discuss one by one. First we'll move for the stoichiometric defects. What is the meaning of stoichiometry? So you know the what? One substance that should having the volume irbodu, okay, that should having the mass, okay, and one more normality, molarity, like that. These are what? Stoichiometric concept. Or temperature, these are all what? Stoichiometric parameters. Volume, normality, molarity, temperature, these are all what regarding in a or consider in what? Stoichiometric. In a stoichiometric defect andre there should be changes in their what? Stoichiometric arrangement. Here what is that? In this we will directly go for the what is stoichiometric defect. So here these are the points defect. Again these two comes in what point defects, in that does not disturb what stoichiometric. Okay, stoichiometry na disturb ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ that should be what stoichiometric defects. And it's also known as intrinsic or thermodynamic defect. Thermo means what, you know, temperature. Okay, so there is no change in thermodynamics irbodu. Okay, that's why also it's considered in what known as thermodynamic defects, stoichiometric defects or thermodynamic defects or intrinsic defect. Internally there should be defect that is no what's that are stoichiometric defect. Now okay, in a stoichiometric defect we can classify two types of stoichiometric defects. Which are they? One is vacancy defect and one more is interstitial defect. Vacancy defect as well as interstitial defects. First we'll move forward. Vacancy defect. What is the meaning of vacancy defect? The name itself says vacancy means what? Empty space are known as vacancy. So here if you consider it is an regularity arrangement of constant atoms. Okay, here all are what? Constant atoms in a regular manner. Now some of the lattice site in the sense lattice point. Okay, lattice point or atoms. Okay, atoms present at what? At the corner or face center, any condition. Okay, here what is that? Sites are vacant. That should be vacant in the sense empty. There is a missing of what? One atom in a regular order, and this will result the decrease in what? Density. And you know the density concept, that is mass by volume. Density equal to mass by volume. I already told lattice sites are vacant. That means missing of what? One atom. So atom missing means, okay, here 1.529 gram of compound is there actually. Okay, actually there is an 1.29 compound is there. If one atom is missing, then it becomes 8. For example, 0.001 gram. So it missing will reduce to 1.529, 5 to 8 now. Okay, here apply the mass by volume concept. What happens? Mass should be decreases. Okay, so already which are very small particle, volume only it just changes barudilla. So density will decreases as the atoms are missing, masses will decreases. So density again will decreases. So decreases in a density. Now next point, it can develop in generally it can develop by heating of the substance. Once you heating the substance, they will create the vacancy or vacant in a regular geometry. So by heating only. Okay, so this is a vacancy. I already told. Now it is an example for vacancy. Actual geometry, there is an atom, but in a vacancy defect that atom should be missing. Here also we can write one more atom is missing. Okay, so two atoms or 2 points are where atoms are missing. So that is known as vacancy defect. Next we'll move for interstitial defect. What is the meaning of interstitial? In between. Okay, some molecules I already told like this. Okay, here what is the sum of the constituent atoms are present at the or occupy in the interstitial region. Interstitial region means what? Here atoms are present like this. Once you assume atoms are present like this, if one of the atom is smallest in size, this can be occupied some other region in a geometry. One geometry which can occupy some other region. Illiruvanta atom, it can occupy here. Next, this atom can goes to here. Okay, so these are what? Dislocations. One position in the inondu position ge hodre. Okay, this will leads what? Increases in or some other molecules, extra molecules. Okay, some atoms will located at the what? Vacant space. Elli jaga khali ide alli bandu some molecules will bonded. Okay, some molecules will bonded. So this leads to increases in density. This leads to increases in density. We should know the meaning of interstitial region. Interstitial region means like what? ಸುತ್ತ ಆಟಮ್ ಇದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಯಾದರೂ ಎಂಟಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಗೆ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ atoms or constituent atoms. Okay, interstitial site. So some of the constituent atoms occupy the interstitial site, and this will leads to increases in a density or density ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ density will increases. Now these two defects are, ನಾವೀಗ ಹೇಳಿರುವಂತದ್ದು in non-ionic means what? So there is no charge, for example H2. Okay, non-ionic molecule ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಸಪರೇಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವಂಥ molecule that are non-ionic solids. Now in case ionic solids are present, ionic means what? There should be a plus and minus. Once the plus and minus will come, there should be maintain the neutrality. Okay, neutrality na maintain ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು molecule we can say there should be neutral. So in ionic solid also you should maintain the what? Neutrality of electric charge. Okay, electrical city na ಏನು maintain ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, that are ionic solids. So ionic solids ಅಲ್ಲಿ we can't expect like this. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ we should explain by one more defects. Okay, we should explain by one more defect, that is in a Frenkel defect as well as Schottky defect. These two are very important for what? Exam point. That may ask for 2 mark question. So very important for exam point. So Frenkel defect as well as Schottky defect. First we'll discuss one by one. Here this is for what? Ionic solids. This for what? Ionic solids. Ionic solids can show 2 types of defect, that is Frenkel defect, F-R-E-N-K-L-E, Frenkel defect, and Schottky defect, S-C-H-O-T-T-K-Y, Schottky defects. In that, first we'll move for this Schottky defect, Frenkel defect, and both are what? Very important for 2 mark question. We'll move for Frenkel defect, what it says. Okay, smaller ion dislocate from the normal side. Smaller ion dislocate from the normal side. I'll write here. Okay, now if you consider positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative is there. In case usually which will be smaller ion? Cation will be smaller in size. Okay, in general agi cation. So this will dislocate from this position to somewhere where the vacancy is present. Where the vacancy is present, it will move here, and here it will create vacancy and it will locate in a new site. So adane heliruvanthadu, smaller ion dislocate from the normal site. Now it is a normal site. When it dislocate means it can transfer from one position to another position. Position should be, it should attach, ಅಲ್ಲಿ attach ಆಗುವಾಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. Now dislocation of what? This molecule from one site to another site. Normal site ಇಂದ ಬೇರೆ site ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆದ್ರೆ that is what? In a Frenkel defect. And this also known as dislocation defect. Dislocation means here actual site in the transfer or dislocate from actual site to interstitial site. Next it will create vacancy in a normal site. Already told, here it will create vacancy and it will comes in a new site. Okay, it will comes in a interstitial new site. It comes to interstitial new site. Yeah, next point, it's a very important, does not change in density. Yake? Here constant atoms or ions should be transferred from another position within a crystal or solid itself. That's why density does not change. Okay, density will remain as it is. Now next, there should be a large difference in an ionic size. So size alli variation idre matra Frenkel defect can possible. So for example ZnS, here Zn2 plus and S2 minus. Here cation should be smaller in size. Cation should be smaller in size. Anion should be bigger in size. Anion should be bigger in size. So if the cation is smaller, it can transfer to one position to another position if the sizes are equal. Okay, if the sizes are equal, for example NaCl is there. Okay, NaCl idaga athwa cesium chloride irbodu. In this sizes almost similar or KCl. I'll take KCl. Okay, these two are almost same size. For this we can't expect what except here Frenkel defect. ನಮಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಸೈಜ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಲಾರ್ಜ್. ಸೈಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ Frenkel defect? So ZNS, AgCl, AgBr and AgI. In entire ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ all cations are what? Smaller in size. Okay, so that's why we can say this is about what Frenkel defect. Now we'll move for the Schottky defect. It's slightly differ from the Frenkel defect. What is that? Equal number of cation and anions are missing. Here there is no missing of anion and cation there, but it can dislocate from one position to another position. But here there is an equal number of anion and cations are missing. Okay, so ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರೆ that we can call Schottky defect. Then decreases in density, obviously. Why? Because decreases in a anion as well as cation, so mass by density or mass by volume become density, then density is decreases. Okay, next point, ionic substance which are equal in size. In general, here sizes are different, but here sizes are almost equal. Example, NaCl. Okay, Na plus and Cl minus both are having almost similar in size. And KCl, already took an example as KCl, and cesium chloride and AgBr. Okay, just see both examples. AgBr is common here and AgBr also common here. This is only the example for which can follows what both Schottky defect and Frenkel defect, which is that AgBr. This may ask for one more question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Which molecule or which ionic compound can shows both Frenkel and Schottky defect? That should be what? AgBr. You can take an example of AgBr. Okay, so this is regarding the exam point. So ನಿಮ್ಮ exam point ಇಂದ just concentrate some of the points. Okay, so 3 point ಬರೆದರೆ ಸಾಕು exam point. What is that? So smaller ion dislocate from one position to another position for Frenkel defect. Here equal size. Okay, so next density. About density, here decreases in density, but here does not change in density. Here size should be large difference, but here equal size should be equal. And example, okay, that are enough for this. So this is regarding the imperfection of solids. Now and only for what? Stoichiometric defect. Next we'll move for next class or next session. We will continue with the impurity defects as well as non-stoichiometric defects. Thank you.